You can't watch a VSP file. It is a Corel VideoStudio Project file. It only saves the editing decisions, not the video. You have to open it and go to Share, Create Video File. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's render it. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The foundational design of VSP positions it within the video file area. Its metadata is consistently defined by the Corel VideoStudio Project type. A VSP file is a project file created by Corel VideoStudio, a video editing software. It contains references to video clips, audio tracks, images, and effects used in a video project. The VSP file itself does not contain the actual media data, but rather instructions on how to assemble and edit the various elements into a final video. VSP files are structured to store timeline information, transitions, effects parameters, and other editing decisions made within Corel VideoStudio. The file format is proprietary to Corel VideoStudio and is not directly compatible with other video editing software. It is essential to keep all reference media files in the same location as when the project was created to ensure proper loading and rendering. For direct reading of VSP content, the best choice is Corel VideoStudio Pro, developed by Corel. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows can preview the file visually, but media production tasks need specialized applications. Open the menu by right-clicking your VSP file and choosing Open With. Try Corel VideoStudio Pro first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the VSP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The VSP file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, use Corel VideoStudio. Open the file using Corel VideoStudio, the required proprietary application for the video project. Next, locate original media. Ensure all original video clips, images, and audio files referenced by the project are present in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, convert to MP4. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final MP4 or DOM-OV video file. When testing shows that the VSP file defies normal protocols, the required step is to try using the specialized recovery tool. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagick will instantly show you what's inside the broken VSP file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagick.com. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly. I hope you learned something new about this file format.